So I'm about to get my second hole, you guys. Woo, so excited. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this second hole.
The second one?
Yeah.
But just one or both?
Both.
Both? Okay. And which one would you like? Oh, can I touch your ear? No, pools, peaches, that kind of stuff. If you're gonna do it, always remember to take care of it and clean it afterwards. Try to clean it 3 times a day.
Right.
Even if you cannot do it, what I recommend and what I actually do is like 1 time in the morning, I come to work, and then when I come back, I clean it again. Do that here in the morning?
No, like maybe like 2 o'clock.
Well, it's been like 4 hours now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you anyway, so you be sure. I can lower it. So pretty much what you're gonna feel is just a page, and then just what you're gonna do is breathe. 3, 2. That's it.
Feels great. I didn't feel anything.
Told ya. It's like when you get your blood tested. Like you feel the pinch and then that's it. Go. 3, 2.
Now that one I felt it. But it's okay. I just feel like I scratched myself.
There you go.
Woo.
You're done.
So I can't put my hoops back in right now?
Yes, you can do it.
I can? Okay.
This is a spray. It gets a little messy.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry, I know.
It's so cold. It's okay.
But
though.
that's how you feel it right now.
Yeah, it's okay.
I can give you some paper towels so you can clean. So.
It's okay. I'm gonna take a shower. No,
But this is actually just clean shoes, so.
Yeah.
Now that feels like heaven. I know.
Yeah, it feels good.
That's it. So you with an actual mirror.
Yeah, because I can't. I was about to put it right on there.
You want me to do it?
Because that's how I usually put it. But I'm trying not to pull it.
Oh, wait, another thing that now you have to be careful is another like another tip that I have to give to the customer is be careful with your mask. So you want like pull
Yeah.
and twist it with it.
That's why I don't like wearing masks when I have hoops because it's just like too much in the way.
Look at that.
Girl,
Like, oh my god, no, this is me.
feel real.
I like how it looks.
So, do you notice anything different about me?
Oh my god, why you always gotta do this to me, bro?
Do you?
Anything about you?
Yeah,
You put some what's called on your thing right now?
I had it already.
You gotta do. You just got those done?
Just did. What?
Oh my god.
What did it look like?
Yeah. Yeah, y'all. That's that DJ gene in it.
Oh, please, that is not the same thing.
Just doing what you want to do.
That's not the same thing.
What you notice.
So you don't like it? It's cool. But you would rather the cartilage.
I probably would have, yeah. If you was gonna say, hey babe, which one should I get? I would have said cartilage.
Well, the cartilage hurts way more. Kind of good.
You know what, yeah, it is, though, the game. You went to Morphe. And I came back to Tiani.
Morphe.
It's Morphe?
Morphe.
Like Mighty Morphe Power Rangers?
Yeah, exactly. BoxyCharm. Ooh. Everyday Vacay. Coconut Dewy Mist Setting Spray. That I most likely will keep. Whatever I don't keep, I'm giving it away. This is Vitamin C Brightening Booster. These cute little bottles. Brazilian Shampoo and Conditioner. Can never go wrong with too many eyeliner pens. They dry out pretty fast. And another makeup palette, which I'm gonna give away. Oh, it's a blush palette. Never heard of this brand. Ace Beauty. It's pretty cute. Some nice colors in there. Alright, so I am about to go look for an outfit for the photo shoot that I have in a couple days. I am wearing this. I don't know why I'm dressed like this. I want to be comfortable but a little bit swaggy, but it's hot as heck outside, so I think I'm gonna change because I cannot stand the heat. But anyways, this is what I got on. The white wife beater jean jacket. I got that from Burlington. I just got this necklace in the mail. I got it for my birthday. It just came though. This is from Diamond Iced Out, where you can find them on Instagram. These sweats are from Charlotte Russe. They're so comfortable. Oh my gosh. I got it in the large though because I love my sweats to be big. And that's what it is. That's what it is. All right. So we're about to go to the Wellington Mall because I also have to go pick up an iPad that I bought, that I'm buying off of Marketplace because I need it for my editing because my phone is just cracked yesterday. So my phone just cracked, and anyways, I was going to get an iPad, but now I really have to. So it's cracked on the front and the back. First time it cracked ever like this, but whatever. So we about to go to the Wellington. So it's only been literally, it's been like 10 seconds since I got in the car, and I'm sweating already. You probably can't tell because, oh my gosh, I'm sweating already, but it is what it is. We are on the way. Where the heck is my phone? Wow, right here between the seat. All right, so we're about to go to the Wellington Mall or whatever, and go pick up my iPad and also go look for this outfit. Hey Siri, take me to the Wellington Mall. Let's go. Finally, we just got the iPad and the iPad pencil. iPad Pro, child. iPad Pro. It's 256 gigabytes. Wow, 10-inch. This is a deal, y'all. Y'all be sleeping on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know why. And I also got it with the pencil, which is what I really needed when I'm like editing my videos and stuff. So, which I'm super excited about using. It'll take my editing to the next level, my notes to the next level. This is the white pencil that goes with it. That is my current status. Anyways, so yeah, look at the mall. So we finally made it to the mall. Yeah, let's go inside. Hopefully I'm not in there for too long. I just realized I don't have my mask. That's how people looking at me like that. I hate forgetting this stupid mask. It's so, but better safe than sorry. It's over here. I don't know why I forgot that we still need to wear masks, but I'm going back to get it. Okay, here it is. let's go find this brunch outfit now. So first I'm gonna go to Charlotte Russe. Hopefully I find something there. The last time I was here, I found my birthday outfit, the one I wore for my birthday. So I went and bought a couple things from Charlotte Russe, but their dressing room is closed. So I'm currently in Macy's trying on the clothes because I need to try them on before I leave this mall because I'm not driving back. Period. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on. So only one thing fit and one jeans fit. So I'm gonna go return all the other stuff and exchange it for other stuff. We'll see. So annoyed. So just leaving the mall. I found some things that I could exchange the stuff that didn't fit for. Out of all the stuff I tried on, only one thing fit real good, and that was the jeans. It was a size 9. So I switched out the white pants for some red ones because the white ones were too see-through. And yeah, I'm about to go home and try them on after I find something to eat because your girl is hungry. So we'll see.